loves, and welcome to Modern Living with Bree. I am Bree, and today we have a fab collab. Some of the sisters will be joining me today, and they are co-hosting with me for this fabulous collaboration. The title of this collaboration is the Ladies Boss Edition, Work from Home Essentials and Office Tour. We'll be sharing some of our favorite office essentials for making working at home easier. And we'll also be sharing an office tour. So you guys have a lot to look forward to. I hope you enjoy it and stay tuned. Don't forget to check out the ladies' channels. All of their information is in the description box below. So without further ado, here is the Ladies Boss Edition, Work from Home Essentials and Office Tour. Okay, director, let's get rolling. Most of you have been with me for a while. Remember how my office used to look? I loved the look, but it was time for a change, and my husband decided to change it for me for a Christmas gift. So he took everything out of the office, took down shelves, and then he painted it this beautiful white and black bronze color. And now that you've seen what it looks like before, here is the after. So the first essential item is the chair. I purchased this chair from Overstock. It was by Serta. What I like about it, has a nice wide bottom that is not too soft, not too hard, a nice armrest that is at the correct height for my size, and also a nice lumbar back. The material is nice and soft, something like that sheep wool, is airy, and it also has strong legs and very heavy-duty rollers. The second item is a footrest. A footrest takes some of the stress from your legs and your feet from swelling, and it is a great idea to have one of these. I like this one because it is adjustable. It also has a massage ridges on the footrest itself. I like to be barefooted in my office, and it feels good on the bottom of the feet. The next essential item is a cord organizer. Here you can see how I organize my cords under the desk. I have it binding to the bottom of the desk, and it goes down to the back leg of the desk inside the cord organizer. This cord organizer I purchased from Amazon is big enough to have 1 to 2 surge protectors inside. The next work from home essential is a computerizer. It has a storage area in different shelves. I purchased this computerizer from Amazon. On the bottom shelf is where I have the laptop, and the second shelf is where I have all of the technical equipment that goes with the computer. This riser also has a place where you can put your cell phone if you need an area for that. The last essential item I think is great for working from home or for your personal office is aromatherapy. This one is by Vitruvi. I love it because it runs by water. You just basically lift up the top of the Vitruvi, pour your water inside this container, and add about 24 drops of your essential oil. It comes out in a mist form, and it covers about 400 square feet in a room. So it covers this whole office. It smells in my favorite essential oils. I also purchased this from Amazon. So next is part 2 of the collaboration, and that is the tour. Most of you know I have a very small office, so this tour is going to be very short. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start here on the right hand side, this wall. We'll come to a art light and some beautiful art. This is a gorgeous showcase when you first enter into the office. I love this Picasso canvas, frame canvas from Amazon. The light up above the canvas came from Amazon. It is battery operated and remote control. We have the television where I look at all of you guys' YouTubes and some of my programs and things in that nature. And then we come to the credenza we have here in the center. And on top of the credenza, over here on the far right, we have some gorgeous metal candlesticks that I purchased from Kirkland's online, to this apothecary jar that I have on top of this black stand. And inside are pistachios that my husband loves. He always have his hand in there, so I have to keep them filled with pistachios. Then over here on the far left hand side, we have some decor. This vase I purchased maybe 15 years ago from Pier 1. I love the pattern on it. I sometimes put fresh flowers in there and sometimes I don't. We also have these beautiful decor balls to match it. They're from At Home and they were $4.99. And then this vase came from Home Goods. I think it was $16.99. As we come down to the credenza is also from Amazon. It has this beautiful showcase cut out right there in the center that has colored lights. It has about 15 color lights that you can change from several colors. And right now it's setting on white. It looks blue on the video, but it's actually supposed to be white, guys. Inside of this little showcase, we just have our Amazon Dot, I think that's what it's called, Fire Stick. And then we have DVD and a Tom Ford #2 white and black book. The credenza has 3 doors. Each of the doors has 2 shelves, great for storage. But here I have stored some of my supplies that I use daily. Here is technical supplies. This is office supplies. And down the bottom is nothing in those yet. But more than likely I will probably put file folders in there and dividers and document protectors, things in that nature. So this is the center of the wall. So we swing from the television and console to another beautiful art piece that's lit by an artist light. And this is a very popular piece. This is called The Kiss, 1979 by Picasso. Now this piece has been reproduced many times by famous artists. The original piece and collection is in Paris. I've seen it when I went to Paris. The one that I seen was by Le Bazir, The Kiss, in 1925. And this one is 1979. There is another one that I seen in 1969, and it fits perfectly in the office. Come down below that and we have a sitting area. Now since this office is small, I had to find multi-purpose furniture and storage containers that you can use for several purposes. And this seating area is not only for seating, it's also a file cabinet. If you want to know more about that file cabinet and other items that I have as multi-purpose furniture and storage, I do have a video on that and I'll link that in the art card above. This pillow is from Amazon and it is a cowhide pillowcase. It gives some texture here in the office and also a different pattern than what is presented here. And not only is there, but it's also on the floor here. And as you can see, it's a cowhide rug. Very, very large. This is the largest one that they had at overstock.com. And it covers under the credenza and also all the way under the desk. And this is another beautiful way to add contrast and texture in a monochromatic office like this one. So it's very pretty. I love it. It feels really, really good under the foot because I like to work in my office barefooted, and this feels very nice. There is a very short wall here in the office that faces front of the office as soon as you come into the entrance, and it's this wall right here, and it's about 16 inches wide. So I was thinking the only thing that can probably go here is a bookcase, and that's what I put here, and it fits very nicely. And we have a lot of modern decor in here in black, white, and in silver. Right on top I have a CB2 vase. It's a pedestal vase, a very, very pretty, looks plaster, very, very heavy, and it's gorgeous, probably a medium size. The second shelf is some Z Gallery Chrome books. I thought it would be nice in this bookcase and also show some other contrast and a nice shine here in the bookcase. And then everyone is very familiar with her. And this is my new statue from CV2. The next shelf is another set of books from Z Gallery. And lastly, there is a white vase that I purchased from Home Goods. This is one of the walls I couldn't figure out what to do with. I did have a clock over here, but I changed my mind and decided to put a bulletin board here. And there's a lot of times that I do big projects, and there could be Christmas parties or Christmas in general. And I like to use a bulletin board to plan out things. As we come down, we have this glass table. It's just a small side table. On top of it, we have some files that I work on daily, and they're labeled today, this week, this month, and this year. And that basically covers all of my documents and planning that I do. Now we come over to my supply closet slash reference closet size archive. This closet has many functions. I have a video on this closet, and I will link it in the iCard above. So we come to the second largest wall in the office, and my idea is to put some metal artwork on here, but I haven't came across something I wanted. So until then, I decided to put some drawings from Amazon on here, and this biggest one is a great compliment to the Picasso piece on the other side of the wall. This one is another drawing. The last one down here, I have not filled it up yet because I can't find another drawing piece that I like yet. I purchased this from HomeBody, and it's a beautiful clock. It's black, white, and gold. Not sure if I'm going to keep the gold, guys. I might change it to silver. Who knows? But what else I love about this clock is the pendulum. I thought it was such a beautiful modern design. So below we have the desk. Now I'm not going to go through everything on this desk. It would take entirely too long for this video. So if you want me to do a desk tour, put it in the comments box below, and I will go ahead and put that together for you guys. That's my personal computer there. Here's some storage boxes that I need for other supplies that I use on a daily basis. Then we have our beautiful L-shaped desk here that came from Amazon. And these leather mats came from Amazon. We come over here in this corner. We have a gorgeous planner. This vase came from Amazon. The plants came from Michaels. And this beautiful lotion dispenser came from Amazon. I have my planner here. And my beautiful pen and holder came from Amazon. So that is it for the desk, guys. If you want me to do a desk tour, like I said, just put it in the comments below. Thank you so much for checking out the collab today. Don't forget to check out my girls. They have much to share with you. We have different styles, different ideas, different tips for working from home, and also for how they decorated their home office. If you have not subscribed to our channels, go ahead and do that. Just click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything. And also click the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload collaborations and other videos like this one. I so enjoyed you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the collaboration. If you're coming from my girls' channels, hey, my name is Bree, and welcome to Modern Living with Bree. I will give you guys a big old kiss. Mwah! Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you on the next one. Smooches!